Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this animated love background for your videos in the CapCut mobile. So just add the video that you want to edit, and to add the animated hearts background, you can just go to the effects and click on the body effects option. In here, swipe through the category and click on the background option. Okay, you can see now there are 3 options of animated hearts background that you can use. I'm going to try the neon heart first. So now the background of the video will become like this, and you can always adjust it. I'm going to adjust the speed to around 25, and I'm going to go with the filter 50. Click on the check icon and don't forget to adjust the length of the effects to match with the video duration. So this is the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.